Welcome to this tutorial on how to import your RTMP stream from Microsoft Teams into Yuzzit. This will allow you to clip and edit your meetings and webinars directly in Yuzzit. Let's get started.
It's important to ensure that the correct users have permissions to record and use it. To enable live streaming in Microsoft Teams for importing into Yuzzit, you need to adjust your Teams meeting policies. Start by logging into the Teams Admin Center. Once there, navigate to the Meetings section and select Meeting Policies. Choose the policy you want to edit and locate the Audio and Video section within it. Here, you'll find the option for live streaming. Set this to on to allow live streaming of your Teams meetings or webinars. Remember to save your changes. With these settings configured, you can now use the RTMP URL and key provided by Yuzzit to stream your Teams content directly into Yuzzit. Let's go back to Microsoft Teams and create a new meeting. When you're ready to start your webinar or meeting in Teams, choose the live streaming option. Here, you'll need to enter the URL and key provided by Yuzzit. Let's activate my camera so we can distinguish the video cut. Once your meeting or webinar goes live, it will be streamed to Yuzzit using the RTMP URL and key you've provided. It's here where the fun begins. Let's zoom in. Your live stream timeline. You can notice that a frame-accurate thumbnail appears to help us precisely cut our sequence. In Yuzzit, you can use the cursor to mark the beginning and end of the segment you wish to clip. After selecting your desired segment, give it a name and click on Generate Video. For additional live stream clipping tips, make sure to check out our detailed tutorial on our YouTube channel. Once your video is generated, a world of options opens up. You can edit it further, trim it, download it, share the URL with your collaborators, or share it directly to social media. To do this, click on Share Media and choose your preferred social media platform. Don't forget to add a catchy description, relevant tags, and then hit Share Media to broadcast your video on the selected network.
And that's it, you are now ready to stream from Teams to Yuzzit. Hope you find it useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.